What's up, guys? It's your girl Madevza. I'm getting ready to play tomorrow with the Sound Factory. Today is Thursday, September 2, 2021. Bless you, Joey. As you can see, Joey. Say what's up, bro. We're just here getting things ready for tomorrow. I'm low-key a little nervous because this is like I can't even talk, that's how nervous I am. This is a show that's gonna be near home. Right now I'm currently at Palm Springs. I have my reasons why I moved out here, and it's cool, it's chill, it's a good vibe, good place, good company. Going back to this, yeah, we're getting ready and I'm gonna vlog this, so starting today and tomorrow. So I'm gonna do a video where both days are combined in one. And yeah, I'm gonna take you guys on a trip with me, which is literally like down the street. But I just want to show you guys the whole vibe of what is gonna go down. And yeah, like I said on my past videos, this channel is to help anyone that is needing, you know, that confidence to start something, especially in the music industry. And I don't have really fancy equipment, but I have what I can practice, and when I'm on shows I just throw down on what I practice. But yeah, so we're gonna take you guys on this journey, and right now I am practicing. As you can see, I have just a laptop and my mixer. I don't have that on because my neighbor doesn't like the bass. I mean, I can take off the bass, but I'm gonna put that to the side for now. A lot of bass will be shown tomorrow. So yeah, we're gonna get started with the whole practicing. What's up, guys? I'm here with Nancy.
Hey guys!
And we're waiting for a friend. We are on our way to the event. It is September 3, 2021. It's a Friday. Happy Friday.
9:26 p.m. on the dot.
And yeah, we're gonna go kill it. We're gonna have a good set. We're gonna show you guys what it's all about, like always. And yeah, can't wait to take you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna have Nancy take photos and videos, so she's in charge.
I'm gonna be her photographer slash videographer, so
yeah, so if you want to hit her up for some video and photo advice, hit her up. She's got you. She got the angles.
I got you on all the angles, baby. Ya tú sabes.
So yeah, we're gonna head out. We're gonna take you guys in, and yeah, come join us with the party, the fiesta, and we're gonna have a good time. That was it, guys. Thank you for watching. I wanted to give a special thank you and shout out to the Sound Factory. They killed it with putting this event together for everyone, and I can't wait to maybe have more in the future and collab with them. We are having some events coming up, and it's gonna be I think the next one's gonna be in November for sure, but I know there's gonna be some coming up in October. October is EDC month, so I don't know what's gonna happen. If anything, maybe a surprise special guesting set. You know how it goes. But for sure it's November. I'm gonna have another gig in Palm Springs, and it's for all of my pride people, my LGBT community. So if you guys want to go show some support and love, I would really appreciate it. I will put more details down below. And yeah, guys, like I said, special thank you to the Sound Factory, and thank you to everyone who went to go show full support. You guys are the real ones. I really appreciate it. The ones who couldn't make it, I totally understand. Life happens. There will always be next events, because these events won't stop, and we are just starting. So I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.